Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. If you're first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update from Fusion Next Gen Learning. In today's demonstration, we are going to cover one more business requirement. If you notice that we don't have till now provision available to hide the infolets, we have the option where you can just disable the checkbox for that particular infolets. And while log in back to the supply chain execution dashboards, user can re-enable all those infolets. Now in Oracle, there's a new feature introduced which you can opt and you can disable permanently the infolets for all the users. For that, what you have to do that we will learn today. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to the setup and maintenance. And within the setup and maintenance, you have to go to the offering section. And within the offering section, so let's go to the setup and maintenance and move to the offering section. Select your offering manufacturing and supply chain materials management and click on the opt-in features. Once you click, you have to go to the inventory management. And if you notice that there is a features pencil icon in the features column, you have to click there. And within that, if you notice that there is a one feature called hide inventory management infolets. And if you click on the pencil icon where you have either you want it to be hide for all infolets or you want specific infolets to be disabled. So if you click on the all, you can click on the save and close. And once you're done, click on the done and you go back to the UI. And if you go to the supply chain execution section and you notice that there won't be any infolets available within the inventory management section. So if you notice that there won't be any infolets available. So you can customize it globally for all the users so that if you want it to be hide the on-hand values or some other information for all the users, you can apply such features and implement it to your business. This is how you can use this feature and implement it to your business. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning.